In the last experiment, we used the if statement block to stop the spiral bolt. However, there's another alternative way to stop the spiral bolt instead of using this if statement block. So let's try it. So first of all, let's delete this if statement block. And what I'm going to do is I will keep this one here, but I will not use this loop forever anymore. And now go back to the control tag and you'll see this function called LoopUntil something. And let's use it. And I want to put this one back to the loop. So the LoopUntil function works in this way. Every time it finishes the contents or the code in the loop, it's going to come back to the top of the loop and make a judgment. So it's going to see if this condition has been satisfied. If it's not, then it's going to keep running another loop. If it satisfies the condition, it's going to stop the loop and execute the line right below it. So now we need a condition for this LoopUntil function. Let's take a look. Since we want to stop the spiral bolt at a specific speed, so what we want to do here is add a comparator to this spot, and we put the variable over here to check if this variable equals to 100, for example. So it looks weird, but this is an equal sign in spiral bolt programming environment. If you are programming with a different language, it can be different. But here, you just need to know you have to use this one to check if this equals to this. All right. So every time it enters this loop, it's going to add 1 to this variable and update the speed of the spiral bolt. So it's going to accelerate. And until this variable equals to this one, it's going to skip or quit this loop and execute the line right below this function. So what do we want to put below this? Let's try some different things. So what I'm going to do is, after the loop, I will stop the spiral bolt. So you have to go to movements and pick up stop. And after that, I'm going to make spiral bolt. Actually, it's going to talk in your laptop. So I'm going to let my laptop say something. After it stops, I'm going to let it say, we are all Durango kids. All right. And then let it continue. Just keep going. And I will let it show a LED. So the spiral bolt will stop and then start showing this LED animation. And we are not going to use our customized animation. So this time, let's use the animation in the system. So I will pick up this animation and click OK. So you can see that this animation has been activated. And if you run the spiral bolt, it's going to execute the code. And let's take a look how that works.
We are all Durango kids.